Very good morning, guys. Here we are introducing a new instrument for measuring the length. Before today, we have used simply meter scale to measure any length. But in science, often we come across uh, the problem to measure different objects having different shapes. So simply meter scale fails to measure the length of the objects, solid objects. So scientists invented a new scale which is called Vernier calipers. And you will have some queries. Who invented Vernier calipers? It is very common question, and everybody must know who invented Vernier calipers. So I answer this question. Vernier calipers was invented by Pierre Vernier. Vernier calipers was invented by Pierre Vernier, and it gives the accuracy. How much accuracy it gives? Next question, which is your question, and the question is how much accuracy it provides. This Vernier calipers provide. So the answer is Vernier calipers provide accuracy up to 0.01 centimeter. Next question to be asked is, what are the main parts of Vernier calipers? What are the main parts of Vernier calipers? So in a nutshell, I can say that main parts of the Vernier calipers are, first is main scale. This you can see, this is main scale. This is main scale. Second part, so main scale, you'd like to know what is main scale. Main scale is a thin long strip of steel. It is of steel, it is not of fiber, and the divisions are engraved in the Vernier scale is in millimeter, and generally it is 15 centimeter long. The length of Vernier calipers in general is 15 centimeter. Next part of the Vernier calipers is the Vernier scale. This scale is Vernier scale. What is characteristic of Vernier scale? It is movable. Here it is already mentioned. It is movable. It can slide along the Vernier scale, main scale. It can slide along main scale, and you will see it has 10 divisions on it. It has 10 divisions on it, and the 10 divisions are equal to 9 millimeter. 10 divisions are equal to 9 millimeter. You will keep in mind that 10 divisions in Vernier scale is equal to 9 millimeter. And it has one screw is here. One screw is here. With the help of screw, we can fix in any position. We can fix it in any position to measure the length or diameter of any solid object. And other parts are external jaws. These are external jaws. Yeah, this is external jaws. This one and this one. J1 and J2 are external jaws. And it is called fixed jaw. It is called fixed and external jaws. You will ask why it is called external jaws? Because it is used to measure external dimension of any solid. It is used to measure external dimension. External dimension. External dimension of any object. J1 is a fixed job. J1 is a fixed job, but J2 is movable. Because J1 is a jaw of main scale, but J2 is the jaw of vernier scale. So J1 is fixed, it is fixed, but it is movable. Another, internal jaws. What are internal jaws? J3 is, again it is fixed. J3 is a fixed jaw. J3 is a fixed jaw. It is a fixed jaw because it is attached to the main scale, and J4 is movable jaw. And J3 and J4 are called internal jaws. They are used to measure internal dimension. They are used to measure internal dimension. So it is called internal jaw. You can ask, what do you mean by internal dimension? So I will explain that internal dimension may be the internal diameter of a hollow cylinder, internal diameter of a hollow cylinder. And the last part is the tail. Here it is tail mentioned. This is tail. This is tail. This is tail. It is already mentioned here in the diagram. So you would have well understand what vernier calipers is. Hello guys, I have introduced to you the vernier calipers. Now how does it function and what is the principle of vernier calipers? I would like to discuss here. The principle of vernier calipers. So you can see here 10 divisions vernier scale division. 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. This is the main principle of vernier calipers. So 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. So one vernier scale division will be equal to 9 by 10. It will come down. So 9 by 10 main scale division, and that is 9 by 10 millimeter. Why? Because one main scale division, one main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. So 9 by 10 main scale division is equal to 9 by 10 millimeter. So one vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Now, further, what is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division? Just I have calculated here. One main scale division, one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. So one main scale division I have mentioned here, it is 1 millimeter minus one vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. So it will be 1 minus 1 minus 0.9 and that is 10 minus 9, that is 1. So 0.1 millimeter. So that is 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter. This is 1 MST main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division is equal to 1 millimeter minus 0.9 millimeter, and that is 0.1 millimeter. Now, one question which is you to answer, and the question is, what is pitch? It is very important question for any measuring instrument. And I'll answer. Pitch is the smallest length. Pitch is what? It is the smallest length. What type of smallest length? Smallest length or any other unit. Or any other unit. Pitch is this. What type? What is especially in the smallest length or any other unit? It is that can be read directly. That can be read directly from a main scale. Any smallest length or any other unit that can be read directly from a main scale, not simply but accurately. But accurately is called pitch. So what is pitch? Pitch is the smallest length or other unit that can be read or measured directly from a main scale with accuracy, and that is pitch. For finding pitch of any instrument, you will have to know the number of divisions 1 centimeter has. 1 centimeter has how many divisions? And that is, if 1 centimeter has 10 divisions. If 1 centimeter, suppose if 1 centimeter has 10 divisions, then pitch is equal to pitch is equal to pitch pitch is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, and that is 0.1 centimeter. In it is not fixed, it may differ. Suppose if 1 centimeter length has if 1 centimeter length has 20 divisions. So pitch will differ. Pitch will differ. So pitch will be equal to 1 centimeter by 20, and that is 0.05 centimeter. So with these observations, you can write the formula for the pitch. Now I am giving you the formula for pitch. And that is 1 unit is equal to 1 unit length divided by number of divisions in the unit. So this is the formula for pitch. Formula for pitch is 1 unit length divided by number of divisions in the unit, and this is the formula for pitch. One more important phenomena in using the vernier calipers that was left, and I would like to discuss here, guys, for your help. And the question is, what is list count? Earlier we have discussed about pitch. This is also the same phenomena, similar to the pitch. List count, the question is, what is list count? And the answer is, list count is a magnitude. List count is what? It is a magnitude. Again the question, of what magnitude? Magnitude of smaller measurement. Magnitude of what? A smaller measurement. And which is measured by, which can be measured by the instrument accurately. And that magnitude of the smaller measurement is called list count. Understand? I'm again repeating it. Be careful. Listen it. What is list count? So list count, first thing is the magnitude. In one word, it is a magnitude. What type of magnitude? Magnitude of a smallest measurement. Smallest measurement. Which measurement? That is measured by the instrument accurately, and that is called the least count. In other words, I would like to explain the least count again. In other words, least count is what? Least count is the difference. What is least count? It is, in other words, it is a difference. Difference. Of which difference? Difference between which? The answer is one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. So you would have to understand least count in another way. So least count is not simply magnitude of a smallest measurement measured by the instrument accurately, but it is also the difference between the one main scale division minus one vernier scale division, and this is called 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is called least. And least count, if one main scale division is equal to one main scale division, I have already mentioned, that is 1 millimeter, and one vernier scale division, and that is 0.9 millimeter. So it will be 0.1 millimeter, and that is 0.01 centimeter, and this is the least